welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ty. This is Fearfully and Wonderfully Made Beauty by Ty. I am so excited to be doing this new venture of beauty and makeup. I am an aspiring makeup artist and I have become obsessed with makeup ever since my wedding when I got my makeup done. I'm talking about obsessed. I had to know how to make my face look that way. So that was about 6 years ago. A couple years after that, I started doing makeup on some friends and family and wasn't as successful at doing it as I had hoped, probably because I wasn't that experienced and I kind of gave up on myself. But then in maybe the last year or so, I feel like it's been rejuvenized within me, and with the help of my friend Ivy and encouragement of my other friends and family, I'm really excited to be doing this YouTube channel, to be bringing you the things that I do on a daily basis, easy beauty tips, some soft glam stuff, things like that. This look I did today, I'm going to be posting. I have a 7-month-old, Omi Jr., who is the love of my life, and he is taking a nap. So I gave you a 15-minute beauty put together. Get yourself together for the day, okay? I'm about to get up out of here. It's 90 degrees outside. I don't have a lot of time. And I did this really cute, I think really cute look, you know. I'll let you know where the crochet braids from if you're interested in all the products that I used. Again, I hope you really like the videos. Please leave comments, give me any tips, tricks, anything that you believe that might be helpful. And I hope to be posting more content soon, more on doing other people's faces and some different looks I want to try along with some other products. So thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you really like the video. So first, straight out the shower, I prepped my skin with Badescu Facial Spray. I put that on. It's great for hydration, along with Pond's Dry Skin Cream, just to make sure my skin is hydrated. Hydration is very important before putting on any makeup. Thirdly, I use as a primer Estee Lauder Daywear Matte. It is great for people who are super oily. I have kind of a combination skin, so I use that to keep myself nice and dry. I put it all over my T-zone. Don't put it under your eyelids because it would dry you out, but it's great for the rest of the face. Now I'm just using my e.l.f. brown pencil, going in to create some light brows. Nothing too heavy. I'm not going to conceal and all that too much because I really just want to go for a natural look. Remember, eyebrows are sisters and not twins. Next, I'm using my Jaclyn Hill palette, Ring the Alarm, in the color Siren. I'm just using just one color just to give a light look. I'm going to blend that in really well on both eyes. Now I'm going to put on my Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Moisturizer by Colourpop. I love this stuff. It's so lightweight. It is great for summer days where you don't want to put on a lot of makeup. And I'm going to blend that in. I'm also going to use the Badescu spray and put it on my brush to help blend. I'm also going to not conceal, but kind of shape my eyebrows a little to get off any excess, just to make them have a better shape. Sometimes you can do that with just your foundation, or if you use a tinted moisturizer or concealer. Just making sure that's all blended in. Next, I'm using my Revolution Banana Deep facial powder. I'm not using concealer, so I just want to do something to brighten up the top of my face and to just help with any excess oil that may be on me. Now I'm using my Benefit Cosmetics They Are Real mascara to just give me some extra lash there. I don't have many lashes though, but I do like the mascara. Next, I'm using the Saharan blush palette from Juvias in the color Neo. Smiling definitely helps you put your blush in the right place, right on the apples of your cheeks. Now that I've let that powder bake in a little on my skin to make sure I'm nice and dry in the places I need to be and bright, I'm just wiping off that excess powder with my brush. I'm going in again with my e.l.f. brown liner just to line my eyes. Just using brown for a more natural look again instead of using black. Using just a brown beauty pencil just from the beauty store just to line my lips so they don't bleed or run over when I put my lipstick on. Next, I'm using a cream lip stain color number 37 from Sephora. This stuff actually works really good. They have lots of colors, and just a regular like beauty store lip gloss just to add a little shine. Yes, I love All Nighter spray. Helps your makeup stay for a long period of time. Gives you a little dewy look when you spray. Let it dry. Now after I spray, I use my highlighter. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, Sundipped in the color Bronzer. Have my little feather brush. I'm going to put it at the top of my cheekbones, on both sides. I also put it above my lips and a little on the tip of my nose and on the bridge of my nose and on my forehead. Everywhere where the light hits you. And lastly, I'm just gelling down them edges. I'm using Gummy from Amazon. It is a great edge control or gel. That is it. Cool. Hope you guys liked the video. Excited, it's my first one. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will have more for you soon. Thank you.